Hello and welcome to the Integriti Certified Technician course. This set of induction videos is here to help you get started with the course and understand what is expected. Starting at the course index page, you can see all of the available modules that make up the course. The content is intended to be worked through in order from top to bottom. When you begin, all modules except for the first will be locked, and as you view each module, it will be marked complete and the next will be unlocked automatically. There are a few different types of modules used throughout the course. Modules with the box icon are videos. To access a video module, click on the module name. In the page that opens, click the Enter button to open the video in a new window. Once the video finishes, simply close the new window and you'll be taken back to the course index. Modules with the page icon are exercises. Click the module name to open the exercise page and follow the instructions provided to work through the activity. Some exercises will ask you to note down relevant menu buttons or perform testing and note the behavior. You can keep these notes separately in a physical notebook or digitally for your reference later. Click the breadcrumbs at the top of the page to return to the course index. For most exercises, you'll add each exercise programming on top of the last exercise, slowly building up your system programming as you work through the content. There are also 3 consolidation exercises within the course. These consolidation exercises will instruct you to default your controller and software so you can program the whole scenario from the ground up. It's important that these are always programmed beginning with a blank database. The exercises that follow can then be programmed on top of your completed consolidation exercise as you work through to the next consolidation exercise. Modules with the clipboard icon are quizzes. At the end of each section you'll find a short multiple-choice knowledge check quiz. These quizzes require a 100% grade in order to unlock the next section, and you'll have an unlimited amount of attempts to make sure you find the correct answers. The quiz will highlight some important points that you may need to be aware of for your assessment. Good luck, and I hope you enjoy your training with us.